Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to create an account on Moka. Creating an account on the Moka investment platform is a straightforward process. First, you need to download the official Moka app. Search for Moka in the App Store for iOS or the Google Play Store for Android. Once the app is downloaded and installed, open it and look for the option to sign up or create a new account. You will typically be prompted to enter basic information like your email address, first and last name, and to create a secure password. Next, you will need to complete the Know Your Client, or KYC, questionnaire. This set of questions is designed to determine your financial situation, your risk profile, and your financial goals. Your answers help your portfolio manager recommend an investment portfolio that is suitable for you. This step usually takes about 5 minutes. After completing the KYC questions, you may be asked to verify your identity. This can involve uploading a photo of your government-issued ID. Finally, you will link your bank account, debit card, or credit card to the Moka app. This connection enables the primary feature of Moka, which is rounding up your everyday purchases and investing the spare change, as well as allowing for recurring or one-time deposits. Once these steps are completed, your account will be set up, and a default investment goal will be created for you. You can then begin exploring the app, customizing your goals, and starting your investment journey. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.